Hi guys, how are you? So today I'll be talking about the Krishnakriti Foundation Scholarship for Fine Arts. The scholarship is offered to the students of arts. The scholarship is offered by the French Embassy for the Indian students, helping them studying in two institutes, one in Paris and the second one in Marseille. Marseille is in the south of France, and I will be mentioning both the names and the website links of both the colleges in the description below. This scholarship is given for fine arts, painting and sculpture. The duration of the scholarship is 6 to 9 months. Let's talk about the benefits of this scholarship. You will be getting 615 euros a month. You will get international round trip airfare, that is India to France and back. You will get medical insurance. You will get your visa process will be free. The VFS process and the campus funds process both will be free for you, and they will help you for finding a student accommodation. To apply for this, you will need to fill an online application form, and I'll be putting the description below. So you can go and fill the application form, and don't forget to add the work that you have done, your portfolio, add all the good paintings and sculptures that you have ever made. One more thing guys, in this Krishnakriti Foundation for Fine Arts, out of the whole applicant pool, there will be only 2 candidates that will be selected.